Have you ever wondered how to manage your money effectively? It's a question many of us grapple with as we navigate the sea of bills, savings, and the occasional treat-yourself moments. The key to this puzzle is financial management. It's not just about counting pennies, but about making your money work for you. It's about transforming your life, $1 at a time. Now imagine if there was a simple, straightforward method to manage your money, a method trusted and recommended by financial experts. Well, there is. It's called the 50-30-20 rule, a rule that's about to become your new best friend in the world of finance. A method that can help you balance your needs, wants, and savings without the stress and confusion. So what's this 50-30-20 rule we're talking about? Stay tuned to find out more. And remember, the best time to take control of your finances is right now. The 50-30-20 rule, simple yet effective, is a budgeting technique used worldwide. This rule is a popular method for managing personal finances, and for good reason. It's straightforward, easy to remember, and provides a clear framework for how to allocate your income. So, how does it work? Well, imagine you've just received your paycheck. According to the 50-30-20 rule, you should divide your post-tax income into 3 parts. The first 50% of your income is allocated to needs. These are the things you absolutely cannot go without. We're talking about essentials like rent or mortgage payments, groceries, utilities, and healthcare. If it's something that would significantly impact your quality of life or well-being if you didn't have it, it falls into this category. Next, 30% of your income is designated for wants. This is the fun part of your budget. It's the money you use for dining out, going to the movies, buying a new gadget, or taking a vacation. It's important to remember that while these things are enjoyable, they're not necessities. Finally, the remaining 20% of your income is set aside for savings or to pay off debts. This is the part of your budget that secures your financial future. It's your safety net for unexpected expenses, and it's what helps you achieve your long-term financial goals, like buying a home or retiring comfortably. The beauty of the 50-30-20 rule is that it creates a balance. It encourages you to meet your basic needs, enjoy the present, and plan for the future, all at the same time. It's not about depriving yourself or living beyond your means. Instead, it's about making conscious decisions about where your money goes and ensuring that every dollar has a purpose. So, that's the 50-30-20 rule. Seems simple, right? But let's dive a little deeper. Now, you might think, that's all well and good, but what are the key takeaways from this 50-30-20 rule? Well, let's dive right in. First and foremost, the 50-30-20 rule encourages us to live within our means. It's a simple guideline to ensure that our income is allocated in a balanced manner. 50% of your income goes to your needs, 30% to your wants, and the remaining 20% to your savings or debt repayments. It's a straightforward formula that promotes financial stability and prevents us from overspending. Secondly, this rule places a strong emphasis on savings and debt repayment. It's easy to overlook these aspects, especially when we're young and just starting out. However, by setting aside 20% of our income, we're prioritizing our future financial health. Whether it's saving for a rainy day, retirement, or paying off student loans or credit card debt, this 20% plays a vital role in securing our financial future. But here's the best part. The 50-30-20 rule isn't a rigid one-size-fits-all approach. It understands that we all have different lifestyles, incomes, and needs. So, if your current expenses don't quite fit into this framework, there's room for adjustment. Perhaps you live in a city with high living costs and need more than 50% for your needs. Or maybe you're debt-free and want to allocate more towards your savings. The rule is flexible enough to accommodate these changes. Lastly, the 50-30-20 rule allows for personal spending. It acknowledges that life isn't just about paying bills and saving money. We all have desires and hobbies that bring us joy, and it's important to indulge in them. That's why 30% of your income is reserved for your wants. In a nutshell, the 50-30-20 rule is a simple yet powerful tool to manage your money. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself of enjoyment, it's about striking a balance and securing your future. Well, that's the 50-30-20 rule for you. A simple yet effective method to manage your money and set yourself on the path to financial freedom. Just remember to allocate 50% of your income to your needs, 30% to your wants, and the remaining 20% to savings or debt reduction. Remember, managing your money isn't a chore. It's a journey towards financial freedom. Thank you for watching, dear viewers. Please like and subscribe for more content. Until next time, stay savvy with your spending.